Welcome to our discussion on the diverse roles within Ethiopia's financial and securities industry. Whether you're an aspiring professional or just curious about this field, understanding the complexities and accessibility of these roles is essential. Let's dive in. In Ethiopia, there are 18 key financial roles, each with its own unique functions and qualifications. Some are relatively easier to enter, while others pose more significant challenges. Let's start with the roles that are often considered relatively easier to enter. First up, we have the Securities Digital Sub-Broker. If you're tech-savvy and meet regulatory requirements, this could be a good entry point. Registration fee, $1,000. Being an appointed representative is another option. You represent a licensed entity, which can simplify the process. Registration fee. Please specify the fee for appointed representative. Securities dealers handle trading activities, and with the right licenses and financial knowledge, this role can be accessible. Registration fee, $1,000. Becoming a crowdfunding intermediary can be attainable, especially if you understand the crowdfunding landscape and comply with regulations. Registration fee, $1,000. Now let's explore the roles that are generally considered more challenging or complex. Operating as an independent investment bank can be complex. It involves substantial capital, expertise, and strict regulatory requirements. Registration fee, $1,000. Credit rating agencies provide ratings for issuers and securities, and entering this field is demanding due to the stringent regulatory and analytical requirements. Registration fee, $1,000. Securities Sharia advisors need specialized knowledge of Sharia-compliant finance, making these roles more challenging to enter. Registration fee, $1,000 corporate, $500 individual. Managing collective investment schemes involves significant responsibility and regulatory compliance, adding complexity to this role. Registration fee, $1,000. Securities appraisal firms conduct securities appraisal and valuation, which requires expertise in financial valuation, making it a complex field to enter. Registration fee, $1,000. Securities investment advisors provide investment advice and are often subject to regulatory requirements, making it challenging to enter. Registration fee, $1,000 corporate, USD BUR, individual. Securities appraisal firm. These firms provide valuation services for various types of securities. They typically require professionals with a background in finance, economics, or a related field, and often prefer individuals with advanced degrees or certifications such as the Chartered Financial Analyst, CFA designation. Registration fee, $1,000. CIS operator, a CIS, collective investment scheme. Operator manages investment schemes that allow multiple investors to pool their assets for investment purposes. They typically require a background in finance or investment management and relevant certifications. Registration fee, $1,000. Credit rating agency. These agencies assess the creditworthiness of various entities and their financial instruments. Professionals working in these agencies usually have a background in finance, economics, or a related field, and they often hold advanced degrees or relevant certifications. Registration fee, $1,000. Crowdfunding Intermediary. These intermediaries facilitate crowdfunding transactions, connecting investors with those seeking funding. They typically require a strong understanding of securities laws and online platform management. Registration fee, $1,000. Securities Custodian. These entities hold and safeguard a client's securities. They typically require a strong background in finance and a deep understanding of securities laws and regulations. Registration fee, $1,000. Securities Digital Sub-Broker. These brokers operate digitally to serve clients and interact with sponsoring brokers. They typically require registration with the securities regulatory body and a strong understanding of digital platforms and securities laws. Registration fee, $1,000. Securities Portfolio Manager. Portfolio managers oversee the management of investment portfolios. They typically have the background in finance or economics, often with an advanced degree or certification such as the CFA. Registration fee, $1,000. Securities Investment Advisor. Corporate. These advisors provide investment advice on behalf of a corporate entity. They typically require a background in finance or economics, relevant certifications, and registration with a securities regulatory body. Registration fee, $1,000. Securities Investment Advisor Individual. These advisors provide investment advice on an individual basis. They typically require a background in finance or economics, relevant certifications, and registration with a securities regulatory body. Registration fee, 500 USD. Investment bank, within a banking group. Investment banks provide various financial services, including underwriting and M&A advisory. Professionals in this field typically have a strong background in finance or economics, often with an advanced degree. Registration fee, 1,000 USD. Investment bank, not part of a banking group. This role involves facilitating transactions between companies that want to raise money by issuing securities and investors who are willing to provide money in exchange for securities. They also handle financing issues, including helping a corporation choose what type of securities to issue or placing those securities with investors. Registration fee, 1,000 USD. Securities Robo Advisor. A Robo Advisor is an automated digital investment advisory program. In most cases, the robo-advisor collects information regarding your financial goals, investment horizon, income and other assets, and risk tolerance by asking you to complete an online questionnaire. They are typically registered investment advisors that use computer algorithms to provide investment advisory services online with often limited human interaction. Registration fee, 1,000 USD. Securities broker-dealer. A broker-dealer is a person or firm in the business of buying and selling securities for its own account or on behalf of its customers. A broker-dealer is acting as a broker or agent when it executes orders on behalf of its clients, and as a dealer or principal when it trades for its own account. To become a broker, you usually need to earn an undergraduate degree in a related field and complete an internship. Registration fee, 1,000 USD. Securities broker. A broker is an individual or firm that acts as an intermediary between an investor and a securities exchange. Brokers provide that service and are compensated in various ways, either through commissions, fees, or through being paid by the exchange itself. To become a stockbroker, obtain a bachelor's degree in business, economics, finance, accounting, or other related areas, complete an internship, gain sponsorship from a financial industry regulatory authority, a FINRA firm, and pass the licensing general securities representative exam. Registration fee, 1,000 USD. Securities dealer. A dealer is a person or financial firm that trades securities in the financial markets for their own account on a business basis. Dealers play integral roles in the financial markets by improving liquidity or the ability of traders to easily buy and sell their securities. Most often, dealers start their careers as brokers. Registration fee, 1,000 USD. Securities, Sharia advisor, corporate. A Sharia advisor is a person or a company approved and registered by the Securities Commission Malaysia, SC, as a Sharia advisor. Sharia advisors play an important role in ensuring and maintaining public confidence in the Islamic capital market, ICM. Registration fee, 1,000 USD. Securities Sharia advisor, individual. An individual Sharia advisor can be someone trained in the classical Islamic legal tradition, or someone with a contemporary educational background but impressive expertise in structuring Islamic financial products. Registration fee, 500 birr. Appointed representative. An appointed representative is a firm that undertakes regulated activities and acts as an agent for a firm directly authorized by the FCA. The representative must meet certain qualifications and complete the appointment process. Registration fee. Please specify the fee for appointed representative. Please note that the specific qualifications, registration fees, and requirements for these roles can vary depending on the country and the specific regulatory body. It's always a good idea to check with the relevant authorities or professional bodies in your country to get the most accurate and up-to-date information. In conclusion, the accessibility of these roles in Ethiopia's financial and securities market depends on a combination of regulatory requirements, your background, and expertise. It's vital to research the current regulatory environment, seek guidance from relevant authorities, and consider your qualifications when choosing your path. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this information has provided valuable insights into Ethiopia's financial and securities industry. Make informed decisions and embark on your journey with confidence.